Oh no.
Is that Nebbercracker's lawn? I guess there's nothing I can do about it.
Sorry, man.
No, Draven, wait. You're grown up. You go get it.
Kennedy, your ball landed on Nebbercracker's lawn. It doesn't exist anymore.
I pay $30 for that ball. I raked 10 yards, and I asked my mum for $1.26 time.
Shh, he haven't come out yet.
So?
Maybe he's sleeping. All right, I do it.
Is he trying to get the basketball back to his friend? But the production power that this man will attack him make me think otherwise. Hope not will happen at all.
I won't forget this, but hurry.
Go. What? Who was that? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Those ain't accidents. He didn't bet on it. She haven't tell you.
Tell us what?
Our Nebbercracker's gone.
Oh my goodness, he's dead. That is why he not coming out yet.
What, Nebbercracker gone? That doesn't make anything sense?
I know how shocked it is. There's no proof of it.
Man, Event Nebbercracker wasn't evil but still doesn't deserve it.
I know, the nothing we can't do now.
To be honest, he in a better place now.